to bring down my daughter's fever. We put her in the bathtub. The ice-cold water made her scream instantly. Something seemed stuck in her throat. I was about to help her. My husband suddenly grabbed her shoulders. He pushed her under the water. I rushed over like crazy to pull him away. He threw me off. I could only watch my daughter struggle in the water. Her movements got weaker and weaker. Finally, she stopped moving. My heart broke. But the next second, something strange happened. She opened her eyes. She actually activated her ability to breathe underwater. She wasn't actually our biological daughter. We created her in a lab, a hybrid of human and animal genes. My husband wasn't trying to kill her. He was activating her abilities. Days went by. My daughter grew up. She started caring about her looks. She'd stare at the mirror for hours to keep the neighbors from seeing her as a monster. I never let her go outside, but she hit puberty. She spelled out outside with letter cards. I refused completely. She smashed everything in the house right there when we weren't looking. She broke through the skylight and got out. My husband and I chased her to the roof. She stood at the edge, her eyes filled with longing for the outside world.
Dren, get back here this instant!
Watch it, watch it, watch it!
Suddenly she slipped. My heart stopped. The next second, wings grew from her back. She was flying in the air. I was stunned. She wasn't just amphibious. She could survive in water, land, and air. After that, I started being gentler with her. I put makeup on her. I dressed her up like a pretty girl. One day, I opened her drawer. It was full of drawings. All of them were of my husband, one after another. She saw me find them. She turned away shyly. I asked her why she didn't draw me. She grabbed the drawings and ran. A sense of crisis hit me in that moment. I warned her to stay away from my husband. I also took away her only cat. The light in her eyes died instantly. The next day, my husband went to see her. He noticed she looked depressed, decided to cheer her up. He put on music. He pulled her into a dance. The music got faster and faster. Their bodies got closer and closer. My daughter had matured physically. My husband's eyes started looking wrong. Her hazy eyes drew him in. Thankfully, he pushed her away at the last moment. He left the room in a hurry. Then he yelled at me. He said I was too harsh on our daughter. He reminded me she was our experiment. We'd have to hand her over to the company eventually. I suddenly realized I was wrong. I walked into my daughter's shed. I started apologizing to her. I gave her cat back to her. I thought she'd be happy, but she wasn't. The next second, she struck the cat with her tail. The cat went still instantly. She looked up at me defiantly.
Dren!